Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul notices something strange. Every Thursday, there is massive activity in Nifty options. Huge volume spikes. While price moves, premiums collapsing. He tries to trade this pattern and loses money 3 weeks in a row. Then Arjun explains weekly expiry, how it works, what patterns emerge, and exactly which strategies give sellers an edge. This changes how Rahul trades options forever. Rahul masters weekly options expiry strategy. The expiry calendar. Every week has 2 major expiries. Nifty options expire every Thursday. Bank Nifty options expire every Wednesday. So on Wednesday morning, Bank Nifty options are in their final hours. On Thursday morning, Nifty options are in their final hours. This creates a predictable weekly rhythm. Monday and Tuesday are setup days. Wednesday is Bank Nifty expiry. Thursday is Nifty expiry. Friday is options reset day for the new week. Mark these on your calendar. Theta is time decay. Every option loses a little value every day just because time passes. But here's what most beginners do not know. Theta decay is not linear. It accelerates. An option that loses 5 rupees of value per day on Monday will lose 15 rupees per day on Wednesday and 30 rupees per day on Thursday. The decay is not steady. It is exponential near expiry. This is why the last 2 days before expiry are the most dangerous for option buyers and the most profitable for option sellers. The trap Rahul fell into. It was a Wednesday. Bank Nifty was trading near 22,000. Rahul bought a 22,000 call option for 50 rupees. He thought it was cheap. He was right on the direction. Bank Nifty moved up 150 points, but the option expired at just 10 rupees. He paid 50 and got back 10. A 60% loss even with the right call. Why? Theta ate the premium. The time decay on expiry day is so powerful that even a correct directional move may not save you from a loss if you bought too cheap an option. The seller's edge near expiry. On expiry day, an ATM option loses over 50% of its value regardless of what the market does, unless it moves violently. Time decay is working hard. The seller has an enormous statistical edge on expiry day. Studies show that 80% of options expire worthless or significantly below their purchase price. This means option sellers are profitable 80% of the time on expiry day, not because they are smarter, but because time is always on their side. When to sell and when to avoid. Monday and Tuesday are safer days to sell options and set up spreads. Premium is still high, theta is starting to bite, and there are still a few days for adjustment if the trade goes wrong. Wednesday and Thursday. Avoid buying far out of the money options. Theta will destroy you even if you are right. On expiry morning, selling near-term options at the money or slightly out of the money captures the fastest decay. But beware of sharp moves. Always use spreads to limit risk. The Iron Condor strategy on expiry. This is Arjun's favorite expiry strategy for Nifty Thursdays. Sell 1 call above current market. Buy 1 call further above as protection. Sell 1 put below current market. Buy 1 put further below as protection. This creates a profit zone between the 2 sold strikes. As long as Nifty stays in a range, all 4 legs decay toward 0 and you keep the premium. The key is to set up the condor on Monday or Tuesday when premium is fat. By Thursday expiry, the decay has done its work. Rahul's timing rules for weekly expiry. Rule 1. Never buy naked options on Wednesday or Thursday. Theta will eat you alive. Rule 2. If selling on expiry morning, do it in the first 1 hour after the open. Premiums are highest then. Rule 3. Close your expiry positions by 2 p.m. The final hour can have wild moves as traders scramble to cover. Rule 4. Never hold a short straddle or strangle through the last 30 minutes. Gamma risk is extreme. Rule 5. Max pain is the level where most options expire worthless. Check it on NSE every week. The market gravitates toward max pain near expiry. Weekly expiry creates predictable patterns. Theta accelerates. Sellers have an edge. Buyers get crushed. Understanding expiry timing separates profitable options traders from those who lose even when they are right. Rahul learned this the hard way. You just learned it in 5 minutes. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.